Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm going to solve Computer Science Paper 2 Application of Computational Thinking, PSN Edexcel Level 1. Question number 1. A program is required to convert number entered by the user to their alphabetical equivalent. Only numbers from 5 to 30 are valid. Mean 5 and 30 are also valid. Included these two numbers. Adding 60 to the number and then applying the function character generate the equivalent ASCII code for an uppercase letter. The table shows accurate test data for a functional program. Like when you will enter number 4, it should display invalid input. Number 5 is equal to A, 22 is equal to R, and so on. Okay, now we are going to open file question01.py Python file. Amend the code to create an integer variable named num and set it to 0. I'm going to create a variable num equal to 0. Add a line to create an integer variable named num and set it to 0. The value of num is 0. Next question is, take the input from the user and convert it to an integer. Okay, I'm going to take an input. Okay, if I will take input, please enter the number. I'm giving a message, please enter the number. Enter the number, and student, you can see that if I will use as input, it will react, it will treat as a string text. Okay, but I need to convert it into integer. For that purpose, I need to write the typecasting by integer variable, integer from start and integer bracket at the end. Now it is converted it into an integer value, num equal to integer. Okay, next question is, check that the input number is between 5 and 32. Both conditions should be true. For that purpose, I will use logical operator AND. If num greater than equal to 5, because I want to include the 5 also, and next condition is num should be less than equal to 30. Okay, then complete the line to add 60 to num and assign the result to the variable decimal. Okay, then what I will do, decimal code will get the value from decimal value equal to add 60 to the variable num and assign the result to the variable decimal code. Okay, what I will do, I will write equal sign num plus 60, num plus 60. Okay, and where you are giving value to the decimal code. Okay, next statement, next question is, join strings together with concatenation. Concatenation means when you are joining two strings, the phenomena is called concatenation, in which you can add two strings like this. For example, I want to concatenate by using here program. For example, I am writing A equal to input. This is my first string. I'm writing first string, and then I'm asking, you can enter the second string, Control C, Control V. This is my second string, and I'm going to store into B, and now I'm going to print A plus B. Now this is going to be concatenate, joins two string. When you will run this program, okay, for example, first string is civ. Second string is ic. It will join to give me civic. Okay, this is concatenations. Now come to the point. Okay, print str num plus, it will shows that string number is equal to plus character decimal. Okay, else what it will display, add a line to display an error message. At it will display message print invalid input. I'm going to write here invalid input. Invalid input. Now when you will run this program, please enter the number. I'm going to enter number 5. They are showing me 5 is equal to A. Yes, correct. Okay, if you will see the table, when you will enter 22, it should display R. I'm going to run the program. Run 22, then it should display R. Yes, program is working correctly. Next, if you will enter 31, it should display invalid input. Invalid input. Run the program. 31, it shows me invalid input. Okay, now so this is complete program. Okay, you can see this. So if you have doubt any line, please you can ask me in comment.